Every dream I was chasing, trying to find something I could put my faith in. Lover, it wasn't wasted when at the end of the road you were waiting. All I know is that I never needed proof the way most people do. It's enough to just be here, it's enough to just have you. And that's always been the truth, that whatever we were,
saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Tifa Afianingsi binti Bamawaluyo halal untuk diri saya dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
Saksi? Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wajah